Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust IPD on HTC Vive headset. Firstly, you should open settings, then in settings find general, in general find IPD, and here find auto adjust IPD. Wait a while. Right now you should you should look on this on this blue dot. And cool, that's it. Of course, you can adjust it manually by clicking adjust button, and here right now just change the settings of IPD, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.